have epically failed many a time at doing a full girly week in my life vlog, but this week will be different. From me and my crazy SPF face. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carrie. I make girly glam and slightly ratchet content here online, and I'm like rushing to finish getting ready, or at least doing my hair. I'm not going to be able to have time to do my makeup. That's totally fine because I am embracing fully my crazy goat lady personality today and going to goat yoga. Before I bypass this intro though, welcome to my channel if you're new here. I make girly glam, slightly ratchet content here online, and I have epically failed many a time at doing a full girly week in my life vlog, but this week will be different. So today is Sunday, the 14th of April, I believe, and I am going to get my goat yoga on, and I have no idea what I want to do with my hair. I might just end up putting it up in one ponytail, but I kind of wanted to put ribbons in my hair at least. But I don't know if it's going to look as good when I don't have makeup on. Buns just don't hit the same when your hair is not curly. I'm going to figure out my hair situation in the next 3 minutes before I have to leave. But if you're interested in watching a girly week in my life, then just stay tuned and don't forget to hit the subscribe button while you're here so you don't miss my future vlogs as well. But I'm going to do my hair and then I'll see you guys in the car. Yesterday was so chaotic with the intro and me rushing, but I had a great time at goat yoga. Goats are my spirit animals, so I was in my zone and I crossed something off my bucket list because I've always wanted to go. But now I look kind of... I'm not going to be mean to myself. I look fantastic, okay? Maybe she looked like the grwm again, but here we are. We're off to the grocery store to get our weekly things. You inspecting the groceries? Thank you, Bubba. Hello from me and my new mirror. It is now Tuesday evening. I had a really productive work day. You can get up here, Bubba. He's been so nice to me this week. I have some exciting things. I did want to vlog yesterday and didn't end up doing it, but I did launch a newsletter, which I'll put on the screen. If you're not subscribed to my newsletter, I will leave a link, but I am going to be posting a monthly newsletter, not spamming you guys, but giving you the latest updates on different girly products, girly discounts, girly events, all things girly. I have a lot of upcoming launches, so you guys are going to get sick of me. But that was my big thing for yesterday, was preparing for that launch and just sending out my first newsletter, which I was very excited for. And then again today, I actually got off an exciting call for a launch that's happening in probably the next 2 weeks. Honestly, it's already technically launched, but I'm not saying anything about it until I have content around it. So more to come. But in the meantime, since it is Tuesday, I have the rest of the evening to kind of just relax and get some admin work done on my laptop, so it's going to be pretty boring. However, there is a brand that reached out to me about doing an honest, authentic review on one of their bags. They literally don't have any type of guidelines. They just want me to literally give all the tea. I'm going to have you guys shop with me to pick out a bag. Okay, so I think I narrowed it down, but just to show you guys the actual full company, it is called Jen & Co, and they make cool, cutesy, ooh, I didn't even see that bag, vegan handbags. I've been looking at the different bags, but I feel like now I haven't really seen all of the different options. I love the pastel colored one, so I've been trying to narrow down my options, but I need to find the bag that was on the front page. It's a shame because I like a lot of the winter type of bags, but I feel like I need something cutesy and pastel. Okay, I narrowed it down. I could not find that blue bag for the life of me on the website, but I really like this Nancy tote. It's striped and it looks blue, but it's described as gray, so that's the only downside to this one, is that it might be a little darker than it looks on the website, and it does come in white, but I think that doesn't look good. And it also comes in multicolored, but it's not like pink, so that's option number one. I also really like this satchel tote bag. It's a light pink color. In comparison, this is what taupe looks like, so it's very close, but the other pink was too bright. Actually, the more I look at it, I'm not mad at it. But she is vibrant, whereas this is a little bit calmer. Then I kind of like this little banana boat looking bag. And they have a picture with the model so you can see the true color, because I was like low-key kind of liking the pastel yellow. But since it's a little deeper, I don't know if I should get green or pink in this bag. And then finally there's this dome satchel bag. I like both the brown and the like off-white color, but I do have my Chanel bag that kind of looks like this color, so I think it'd be nice to change things up. Obviously, you guys will see this after I choose the bag. Let me know what you think I ordered in the comments, and maybe in a future vlog, once I receive the bag, I'll haul it for you guys. Hi loves! I'm vlogging from my phone currently. It is Wednesday. I keep thinking it's Thursday. I just finished filming a everyday makeup look and get ready with me for YouTube, so if you haven't watched that, it's already up on this channel. But I am now about to go to sushi for dinner and Pilates with my mom. I signed us up for a wine and Pilates class, even though I don't drink, but I thought it would be fun to just be around girlies who want to do Pilates and have wine. Yeah, I'm running a little bit behind, but that's where I'm headed. now, Saturday. I know I look crazy because I don't have anything on my lips except for a little bit of like concealer or foundation. I'm gonna film a couple of different TikToks now, but one of them is on lip combo, so that's why I didn't do my lips. Thursday, my mom came over and visited again, so we actually had a good time. We went out and got coffees, we got some Chipotle, and we did go to Ulta, so I did get a couple of products, including the new Too Faced like chocolate soleil bronzing sticks. I'm not gonna lie. And then yesterday, I'm a little sad I didn't vlog, but I did get some content. I went to the med spa in the middle of my workday, so I got my brows laminated. So I barely used any eyebrow gel. Honestly, I probably didn't need to use any, but I can't wet my eyebrows until 1 o'clock today, so it'll be 24 hours at that point. But I got a facial and my brows laminated, and I'm really excited about the brow lamination because they look so good without anything on. They're supposed to last for 2 months. We'll see what happens. But other than that, yesterday was also a pretty like nice chill evening with Sam, so there wasn't really anything you guys missed. So now we're on to Saturday. Sam works today, so I'm actually meeting him later on today, but we are going to visit his sister because we're having a Disney Princess movie night. In the meantime, I'm going to be working on content today. I did my hair. I just went through it a little bit with my flat iron, but it's kind of feeling dry, so I think I'm going to put a little bit of my like gissu oil in it and then film this content. I need to redo my blowout in a couple of days anyways, so this is the last heat styling moment that I'm gonna have. I usually try not to heat style it at all, but I sweat out my hair the other day because, oh, also on Thursday I went to an Apex gym class. I didn't know what that was. Dumbbell aerobics. So you had a little bit of strength training, but it was very fast paced. I was the youngest person in this class. I keep telling everyone the gym classes I've been going to have been really early. So I'm the youngest person. It's usually people in their like 50s and 60s, but these people are killing it, okay? And I'm over there sweating. So I had a good class, but I did kind of like low-key sweat out my blowout because I did not go with the right hairstyle and wasn't prepared for how it's gonna be. So my hair's a little dry, but we're gonna make it work. Hi, loves. We're rocking the wig for now. I finished filming some content today and I had lunch, I cleaned, and I wanted to insert my haul here before I start packing. I'm gonna try to keep things quick because I don't know how much time I have between me filming this and Chester crying at me, but it's a coquette haul. So first I got some PR from Too Faced, just some lip products that are restocked. This is their lip liner that I absolutely love in Puffy Nude. I also got Glossy and Bossy, one of my favorite lip glosses, and then their Maximum Plump Original. All three really great essentials. Then I actually recently ordered online from Urban Outfitters a random assortment of things because they were having a sale. I finally got my hands on this sparkle glitter spray by Eva NYC. It's supposed to go in your hair. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see the glitter. It's just so pretty. I also got these two things. This is a vase that I thought would be so cute for when I get my weekly flowers from Trader Joe's. And I got this specifically because I don't really have any jewelry boxes that have these little things in them to hold my rings and organize them, so I thought this would be cute. It's pink, and then it does have space underneath if you want to put in more jewelry. I also finally got my hands on the Sofia Coppola archive. So it has all of these beautiful images from her films, and it's just very coquette aesthetic. And then everything else is a Forever 21 haul. I'm not going to do a try on, but if you want to see me try on these items in a haul, definitely follow me on Instagram and TikTok because that's where I'm going to do it. But they came out with a coquette collection and I'm so excited to show you guys this stuff. If you're new to my channel, I've been saying for years that Forever 21 has the best girly glam coquette finds, and usually they're in the sale section, and now they're not. So first I got these sandals that are super cute and dainty, and they just have pearl straps for the summertime. These next three items are the only like non-coquette basic essential items I got. I got a really soft essential white tank top, and it's actually really thick, so I'm excited about this because I think it'll be perfect for spring and summer. I got a one piece, but this one is a long sleeve and shorts for the warmer weather. And then I got this jacket, and I was sad because I didn't have it in pink, and I know this seems really random for me to get a bright yellow jacket, but I think I can style this perfectly for the springtime and still make it girly. Okay, everything else I'm gonna go really fast because my camera's also about to die. I got this beautiful fluffy, puffy blue dress that literally looks like I went antique shopping for it. I got this top. I usually don't wear black a lot in the spring and summer, but this I thought was cute because it's actually like a tube top. but it's asymmetrical and then it has this lace for your belly, and I just thought this was so cute and so unique. My camera officially died, so that's why things look a little different now. I got this skirt that I thought was cute, and I feel like it'll cover your butt but not be like super long. I got this top that I just thought was so romantic and so cute, and it's like the perfect Lauderay green. I also got this top that I've been eyeing down for the past couple of weeks, and the lace on this is not bad quality, you guys. Like, I'm actually really shook about all of these items because it's Forever 21. It's affordable but really, really cute. I got this lace top that I'm a little concerned about because I do think this one is going to be a little see-through at the top, but we'll figure that out. I got this skirt that I've also been eyeing down for a while because it's all lace and it's very vintage couture. I have more stuff. I got this dress, which I didn't know it was going to be this material. It kind of looked more shiny online, so I don't know if it's good or bad. I haven't tried any of these on, but it is just like a cream eggshell linen summer dress, and it has a little bow in the back. I think this will be really cute. I got this romper that I'm so excited for. I haven't worn a romper in a very long time, but this is scrunched in the middle and then it flows out, and it has like these crochet lace shorts. I actually rented a dress with this silhouette and it was beautiful, so I think I'm gonna love this. I got this dress. I thought it was gonna be a lighter shade of blue. It's a little bit more vibrant than I wanted, but we can still style her for spring or summer. And then lastly, I am so excited. I got this two-piece set. So it comes with these little linen floral pink shorts. Kind of look like pajamas, but I think this will be perfect when I go on vacation. And a matching tube top. This is a little sheer, so I just have to wear a nude bra, but I think that this will be a cute little two-piece set. I am literally so prepared for all the traveling I'm gonna be doing in the next 2 months. I'm so proud of myself for packing one bag, not including my technology book bag for my laptop. As a notorious overpacker, I usually bring like 3 bags even if I'm staying for one night. But I'm bringing my Sony Clover. This is very much winter core, but it's the perfect size, so I'm still using it. This has all of my skincare products, and I also have like a mini bag inside of this bag for my dental, and then I literally just threw in like all of my skincare there. Quality of their bags is absolutely amazing. And then I have my princess nightgown because I figured it would be appropriate to wear tonight. I always keep pads with me, so just ignore that. My outfit for tomorrow morning, my bonnet with my like night hair care stuff. I kind of don't want to wear the wig there, but I think I want to take a selfie in my car, so I'm going to still wear the wig. And the bag itself, I believe I ordered from Amazon like a year or so ago, but it's just like the perfect little overnight duffel bag, so I'm proud of myself.